120 days in the context of naturalization. What does it really mean? In this video, I'm going to explain to you, and hopefully you can find a solution when it comes to your naturalization proceedings. My name is Bijoux, Ngwanda, as you know it. I'm an immigration lawyer based here in DC. However, I do have clients across the country and around the world because we are dealing with complex U.S. immigration laws cases. If you're new to my channel, again, you go ahead and subscribe. If you're not new, welcome back. Thank you for subscribing. And please do not forget to hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on anything. If you enjoy the content, you go ahead and share, like, and don't forget to comment below. Also follow me on all platforms. We got TikTok, Instagram, Facebook page, Facebook group, threads, you name them. Let's get right into it. 120 days rules. In the context of naturalization, simply means that if you have been interviewed, okay, for your citizenship, and after the interview, it has been 120 days and the USCIS officer has not given you the decision yet, then you have the right to sue USCIS in federal court in the district in which you reside. And this is really different from the mandamus lawsuit, right? In the context of mandamus lawsuit, we can file a lawsuit against USCIS for unreasonable delays, and we can file it here where venue is proper and pretty much where all those headquarters are located. And most of the time it's Maryland because they move a lot of headquarters here in Maryland, right? But when it comes to the 120 days, specifically if you really want to sue because they haven't given you the answer for the interview, then you have to file that lawsuit in the district, okay? Federal court, but in the district in which you reside. And at that point, if you're using that specific rule, it has to be filed that way. And at that point, what's going to happen is the federal judge can decide. They can actually decide on your naturalization. They can either send it back to USCIS for USCIS to decide, pretty much order them the way mandamus lawsuits works, but they can also decide themselves. And that's really a good news for certain people really trying to get over it. You know, there are a lot of people who have family abroad that have to bring their family here in the US, and this naturalization process taking forever and they're stuck in the limbo. That's a solution, because at that point, even a federal judge can make a decision on behalf of USCIS, and that's what I wanted to talk to you about. So the question is, can you do it? Well, you can do it really if you have been interviewed, 100 days has passed, and you don't really want to go to this mandamus lawsuit. You want to just go directly to to the federal court where you reside and use that specific rule for them to actually make the decision on your case. Yes, you can do it. If you live here in Maryland or in Washington, D.C., and we want to use that specific rule, please contact me. If you do not have a lawyer, of course, you can call me, 202-751-2180, okay? Consultation fees apply as usual, or you can schedule a consultation by using the link in the description box below. And also I want to point out too, if you just want to file a general, those are for other cases, right? You just want to file a mandamus lawsuit, yes, we can help you here because we're going to file that lawsuit right here in Maryland, okay? Where all the headquarters are located, venue is proper in Maryland for that specific purpose. Until next time, bye-bye.